What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to break down this new indicator that we just put out for our elite members, the Trend Pulse Elite. This is a very cool indicator. It's going to help us identify the trend and very easily. So it's not going to be a complex indicator, although it does have some complexity to the logic behind what we're seeing. It's going to simplify the visuals here and make this really easy to follow along with. Now, if we flip over to the chart, you'll notice what it's doing is putting the buy and sell alerts on the chart, and it's giving us this line that's letting us know where the support and where the resistance is. We have it color coded as usual. Green is going to be for support, red as resistance. We know we're in the downtrend or a sell trend if we're in the red, and we are in a buy trend or a positive trend if we're in the green. So that is what we're looking at here. Now, of course, we want to pair this with other factors such as volume and our key levels using the confirmation strategy. But that being said, this is going to be a great way for us to identify the current trend and whether or not it is something that we want to be trading and which direction do we want to be trading. Because of course we could be shorting this, we could be going long on this. Me, I'm typically a more bullish trader. I'm more on the long side. However, we do have short traders in our community as well. So you guys have access to the same indicator if you're an elite member. And this will help you identify those areas of downtrend. So that is what it's basically doing. Now down below, this is really cool. We did add this to the options. You have the option to show the trend dashboard. That's going to be this down below. And I can turn it off and you can turn it back on. Now you can make this a little bit larger to make it easier to see. And you can see that this is basically identifying other time frames without us having to switch from other time frames. We can then identify those time frames. So we have the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and we are going over which are those, is the majority bullish or is the majority in the sell direction bearish, right? If we flip to a 10-second time frame, we look at this and zoom out, we can see that yes, right now on the 10-second time frame, we do have this support line that we are respecting at this time and bouncing off of that level. So we tested the level here, we're bouncing now, we're up about 2%, about 10 cents a share. But on the 1 minute time frame, it's showing that it is still in a sell direction. So this has not really proven itself just yet. And of course, we do want to pair this with volume right now. If I hover over these candles and look at the volume up top, in TradingView, 3,000 shares traded, 6,000 shares traded, and 6,000 shares traded here as well. So very low volume on these candles. So we want to pair this with volume right now. This isn't something I would be attracted to buying or selling. But that being said, this is going to help identify which direction I want to be buying or selling, right? So this is the new Trend Pulse Elite indicator for our elite members. If you are an elite member in our community, you will have access to this indicator and all of our strategies through TradingView. And if you're not an elite member, you can sign up through bullishboblive.com. We have our pricing page there. We have monthly options and annual options as well. Guys, I'll see you in the live session Monday through Friday starting at 7 a.m. Eastern time where I trade live and go over my trades. I'll see you during that time, and I'll see you in the pre-market. Thanks, guys.
Elite members gain access to my exact strategy settings and my favorite setups through our Elite Member Learning Center. Visit bullishboblive.com today to start learning information actually applicable to momentum trading.